Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.